Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 Radyo Bandera, Olongapo City. Inakarespetado sa news and current affairs.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
Yeah! Basta Radyo, ibandera mo, baby! Welcome back, people. Welcome back. Final stretch of this radio show. You just heard the song from Macklemore. And who was that lady with her? Oh, Mary Lambert. There you go. Same Love is the title of that song. Requested song. There goes your request. Also, the song goes out to Ate Myra Agaton. Happy listening. Ayan, shout out sa'yo, ha. Sino pa ba i-greet? Ikaw lang ba? Type in the names. Yan. Paki-type mo sa ating Facebook. Yung names ng mga i-greet. Okay. Huwag mong kakalimutan. Alam mo na yan, no? Hindi tayo nang gigreet, nang babati. Hindi tayo nang babati, nang gigreet lang. Pagbaliktad ko papalpak. Ayan. No bate. Greetings only. Ate Myra Agaton, happy listening to you. Si Vash din. Hi, Vash! As in Vash. V as in victory. V-A-S-H. Vas. Vash. May H nga pala, Vash. Parang yun yung sinasakyan, Victory Liner, no? Vash. At saka, Ate Myra Agaton, I miss you! Kamusta ka na? I hope you're doing fine, alright? A couple of invites here coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, this is your chance to score amazing deals on school supplies, fashion, gadgets, and more at SM City Olongapo Downtown's Back to School Specials. See you on June 13 to 15. Shop smart and save big at SM City Olongapo Downtown, okay? Back to School Specials, again, June 13, 14, and 15. Get a chance to win also instant prizes at national bookstores. Speaking of back to school, including Sulit Coins, Mobile Legend Diamonds, and gadgets. Shop today and join the Sulit Spin to win. Get one spin every 999 pesos spent on any items. Visit National Bookstore now. All right, for SM Central, it's at the level 2. For SM Downtown, it's at the ground floor. And buy local, go local. Taste the flavors of your much loved Pinoy delicacies. And get this locally crafted products from our participating MSMEs at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay, so check it out. Dunkin' headline. It's going to be the 22nd Dunkin' Day on June 14. The nation comes together to celebrate the 22nd Dunkin' Day with a big discount. Buy 4 premium and 4 classic for only 199 pesos. Save 81 pesos. Available from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. at any Dunkin' stores nationwide. Kasama yung mga nasa SM, syempre. And do check out the SM Store, Shop, and Splash. June 5 to July 5. Get ready for a splashing good time. Spend a minimum 1,000 in a single receipt at SM Store Olongapo Downtown and score 1 free soaked pass to Inflatable Island PH, excluding consumables. Shop now and let the adventures begin. Okay? And the great downtown sale. Okay? Up to 70% off and score amazing deals from your favorite stores in SM City Olongapo Downtown, okay? So once again, the great downtown sale, SM City Olongapo Downtown, June 20, 21, and 22. Okay, so those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Time once again for some of the latest piece of news for you, okay? Latest Radyo Bandera news for you, libreng ultrasound para sa mga buntis, handog ng Knights of Columbus, Olongapo City Council 3722. Isinagawa ngayong Hunyo 7 ang isang matagumpay na libreng ultrasound screening para sa 14 na buntis sa Olongapo. Handog ng Knights of Columbus Council 3722. Katuwang ang Daughters of Mary Immaculate or the DMI. Okay? Pinangunahan ito ni Grand Knight Gregorio Lapay at ni District Deputy Director Lamberto Castillo na nagsilbi ring Chief Medical Officer ng programa, kasama rin sa serbisyo si Sonographer DMI Sister Eloisa Dairit. Naging bahagi ito ng sabayang Modified Unified Admission Degree Exemplification sa SK Quirino I. Vitug Hall, Lower Calaclan. Malaki rin na naging ambag ng mga DMI members na sina Sister Yoli Aspe, Sister Dina Pedroso, Sister Dolly Rose Caliston, at Program Coordinator Sister Cecilia Cano. Nagsimula ang aktibidad sa panalangin at pambungad na mensahe ni Grand Knight Lapay bandang 9 a.m. alas 9 ng umaga, sinundan ng ultrasound sessions mula alas 9:30 hanggang alas 3 ng hapon. Layunin ng programa ang maiparating ang tamang prenatal care sa mga inang walang sapat na access sa serbisyong medikal. Ayon kay Dr. Castillo, ito ay isang magandang halimbawa ng pagsasanib ng serbisyo publiko at pananampalataya, isang tunay na gawaing in service to the Lord and mankind. Okay, so there you have it. The latest piece of news for today. Libreng ultrasound para sa mga buntis, handog ng Knights of Columbus, Olongapo City Council 3722. Okay.